Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll walk you through how to set up iMessage on your iPhone 17 Pro. A lot of people get confused with this at first, but don't worry, it's super simple. Alright, let's get started. First, open up your Settings app. Now, as you scroll down, you'll find a section called Apps. Go ahead and tap on that. Inside here, look for Messages. Tap it, and you'll see all the settings related to your messaging app. Right at the top, you'll notice iMessage. By default, it might be turned off. All you need to do is flip that switch to turn it on. Once you do that, your iPhone will take a few seconds to activate a message. You might see a little message saying waiting for activation. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Just give it a moment. And there you go. Once it's activated, you can now send free texts, photos, and even videos to anyone who also has a message enabled on their iPhone, iPad, or Mac. It's really handy because it works over Wi-Fi or mobile data, so you don't have to rely on SMS all the time. That's how easy it is to set up a message on your iPhone 17 Pro. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you had any issues, and of course subscribe to Techschumz for more tips, tricks, and guides on the iPhone 17 series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.